Hi vlog, it is Sunday morning and my mom, my sister and I are at Marshall's right now, and then we're heading to the Dollar Tree. Very conveniently, they are next door, and then we have Burlington and Ross. So all we're missing here is I think like a Home Goods and a TJ Maxx, and you would be ruined. Yeah, but we are on the hunt for storage items for under the sink, where we have all like our cleaning supplies, and we have a lot of like our dog stuff there too, and then kitchen supplies. Not really like utensils and stuff, but more like storage, so like those little shelves so we can stack all of like our glassware, dishware. Yeah, we're really motivated today because my mom found a dining room table that she and my sister picked up this morning while I was still sleeping. But I'm really appreciative because I worked yesterday and I was so tired, so they went and did it for us, which was so nice. And they picked up a table they found off, I think like Facebook or OfferUp, for $50, which is such a blessing, and it fits our home beautifully and it looks so much better, you guys. Like, the apartment is coming together and I'm so happy. We're heading in. Fit check. Okay, stop number 1. We're in the bathroom section right now, and I found this shower organizer, which I was literally about to buy off Amazon. It's in my Amazon cart right now. But this one's $15 and it's pretty big, and I've been really needing one of these because my inside of the shower is like so skinny that like the products that are on there are hanging by a thread. This isn't on the list, but I'm gonna have to snag it. I really love this one. I think like for whatever reason I want to get this for my bathroom to put like toilet paper and just like stuff. It's so cute. Same with that one up there. I love it. We wrapped up at Marshall's, and I'm gonna have to do a haul when I get home because let's just say Marshall's was really doing it for me today, and my mom, my sister, and myself, we all got great things, and I applied for a credit card, so that was good. Now we're actually going to Dollar Tree to get what we actually came out for.
But you saved 10%.
I did save 10%, and the like discount in all was really good, so I'm happy. And to be honest, I've been really good about my money and my finances, so it felt kind of nice to like treat myself because it's been a minute. And I even got some clothing pieces, which, guys, I haven't been shopping for clothes in months. Stop number 2. Okay, so these are what I need. I'm gonna get a bunch of these little shelves. I think I'm just gonna grab all of them, honestly. Grab, that's 3. These buckets I could put the cleaning supplies in, maybe. I also have these little bins I think would be good for under the sink. I don't know if I should get the black or the tan. These larger cube ones. Rapid fire haul because I really need to put it away and then I need to get going with the day. So let me show you guys a haul. You kind of saw what I got from the Dollar Tree, but these are literally what I wanted, and they aren't that large like the other ones I have in our kitchen, but these are perfect because they're gonna do the job. Either good for the pantry or for under the sink. We'll see how it goes. 2 of these little bins. Okay, next is Marshall's. We got a lot to show here. We got some more cabinet shelves. My mom found these ones for $5, so these are great. Guys, this one's for my bathroom. Next, I got this stunning little tank top blazer from Sincerely Jules clothing brand. This was $19.99. I absolutely needed this and I love it so much. I got a pair of these little heels. I've been wanting shoes like this for so long. They're on sale for $24. They're from BCBG and they're just like a clear nude heel. More clothes in here, but I bought this because this is a bunch of hair rollers with clips, and I've been wanting this for so long. I keep seeing it on Amazon, but it's something that I never like bought yet. So I saw this for $13 and I had to get it. Then I got this 2-piece why I really wanted it, but I got it. And I need to see how it looks on. But basically, it's like this little, it literally looks like the salsa dancer emoji, but it's this top and this skirt. And Spencer's birthday is coming up and we're doing like a dinner with his family and stuff. So I thought I could wear this with like my new little heels I got and it could be cute. I don't know. That's everything that I got. So now we're gonna pick up the stuff and organize the under the counter sink. The lighting isn't the most amazing, but as you can see, I'm gonna go and empty out this entire section. I should have gave you guys a before, but that's okay. Right now I'm just gonna remove it and then show you guys the space I'm working with. Here is the final look. Let me zoom out for you guys really quick. We decided to do 2 of the large storage bins. Whoa, wow. Wow, Suzette. 2 of the large storage bins that has all of our cleaning supplies. That has light bulbs, batteries, just little things like that. Our trash bags, my mom's little toolbox. And then this has soaps and like sponges and all that. It looks so much better, you guys, and these little things make such a difference. Here is a look at our new dining table, you guys. Mom and sister brought it this morning, like I mentioned. We put the carpet underneath and it just adds so much. And it looks so much better, you guys. And my mom found this on OfferUp for $50. So that is your sign to start looking there, Facebook Marketplace, and all those places, because you can find gems like these. And as you can see, Moosey is really excited. Moosey, say hi. Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Today I'm going to take you along a little day in my life because I have so much to do and I'm trying not to like freak myself out or overwhelm myself, because every time I say like I have so much to do, I end up like doing the absolute bare minimum. So what we're not gonna do is make like this scary long to-do list and just go through it as the day goes on. But today is Wednesday, so happy Wednesday. I am off of work today, which is really nice, but just because I'm off work doesn't mean I'm off work, if that makes sense. Today I go into full content creator mode. I was really tired last night and I didn't do the dishes, and now I'm regretting it because I'm like trying to make breakfast right now, but all I see is the dishes and I can't possibly look at them any longer. So I'm gonna make some breakfast and I'm gonna clean the kitchen up, and then we're gonna get started on our actual day. But yeah, we gotta have a clean space to have a clean mind to get everything that I need to get done today. I always need some type of music going, so let's see what playlist we're thinking. Mexican mom cleaning playlist. We're ready. side. So wipe the counters, it's all good, put stuff away. Here, what I'm looking at, which I'm not showing you, is a little bit more dirty dishes. I did all the dishes that were like in the lineup. Let's make a coffee. This is my favorite coffee ever. This is the Chobani cold brew. This is amazing, but Chobani, please, like, I run out of this way too quick. I buy 5 of these at a time, and I just don't have that kind of space in my fridge. So if you could just make like a big size like this, or even bigger, that would be amazing, because I use you too much. Give her a good mix. Stop. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Koba, you need to sit. Sit down. Good boy. You're not being good. So you're gonna eat last. Come on. Okay, the bed is all nice and clean. I feel so much better every time I make up my bed. Okay, you guys, did I not say that this was the cutest one yet? Look at the pattern. So it is just the cutest little summer set, and the sports bra is super supportive. It has padding, which I love. I really love this neckline. I feel like it's really flattering. I also feel like really secured up here, and like I can do a hard workout and it's like doesn't move, which is super important to me. Super high-waisted, so I feel so snatched. I would love to wear these to like Pilates or yoga, but I even wore these like on a walk the other day and I loved them. I cannot wait to wear this like on a little beach walk or something, because it is so cute and I definitely want to take an Instagram photo in this. Okay, so here is a full body look of the whole little fit. Now let me tell you guys why I got this color. This is so perfect for summer, and the scrunchie is like so thick, which is perfect because those are the only type of scrunchies I like. But do you see the vision? Like, hold on, let's unravel these. This is a little sports bra, and then it has like the little crisscross with some mesh. And then on the back, it just says Silverwind right here, which I love. Or I could do this sports bra with these leggings. Isn't that perfect? Like, oh my gosh. And then these have a little side pocket. I'm gonna try these on right now, and I'm probably going to wear this one at the moment because it's a little gloomy outside. So as much as I want to wear this one, let me go put this cutie outfit on. I'll be right back. Guys, are you kidding right now? I'm looking like into the mirror. I don't know. I'm looking into the mirror and I'm seriously, oh my god, I feel so confident in these pieces right now. They are so comfortable. I love the little crisscross, and then the back. Seriously, I need every single color in the set. Thank you. Hey you guys, it is 12:07 and this workout set really motivated me to go to the gym because I almost wasn't going to today, but I'm really glad that I decided I am. I'm just snacking on this Go Macro bar because I want to make sure like I have enough energy since I did eat breakfast a little bit ago. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the gym. I'm gonna do a little juicy upper body moment and some core and a little Stairmaster and just have a good workout. And then I need to go to Spencer's house. I left my tripod at his house and I have to film those collabs for TikTok later today, so we're gonna be doing that as well, and then going to the grocery store to get groceries for dinner / lunch today. So yeah, that's pretty much what we have left on schedule. Yeah, so far I'm having a great morning with you guys. I hope you're enjoying this vlog, and let's go to the gym. It is going to be 2 p.m. which my day was kind of thrown off today. I had a little late start, I'm gonna be honest. but I feel great. I had a good workout and I put this little set to the test. Literally so good. This color is so freaking cute and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And now I'm gonna make a protein shake and then we're gonna get ready, shower, and then we're gonna film our TikTok. Today I'm collabing with Merit Beauty. You can find them on merit.com or at Sephora. Let's go shower. I can literally smell myself and that is the sign to hop in the shower immediately. And now, let's film for TikTok. Okay vlog, we are done filming for the day. I do have one more TikTok that I need to make, but I'm hoping I can make that later tonight, like when I'm cooking or something. You gonna say hello? Well, I'm just wearing Air Forces, but yeah, this is our outfit. We're gonna go grocery shopping to get some stuff for dinner. I'm gonna make like Taco Bell at home tonight. And this is how the makeup turned out for the collab with Merit. I did like a summer date night inspired look because of the lipstick that they sent me is like a red color. Yeah, Spencer now has it on his lips as well, so he's also saying that Merit has the best lipstick because he's now wearing it. Yeah, I like how it turned out, really like natural and summery.